Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to EduTap. So, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing really well and you are utilizing this lockdown period by studying to the full potential. So, your SEBI exam is scheduled to take place in the month of July, and as we always say that previous 6 months current affairs are very much important and latest 3 months are more important. So we have started this series for general awareness phase 1, and we have covered 10 lectures till now. So here we present to you lecture number 11, and we'll be again discussing GA questions including financial awareness questions from the month of April. And guys, this is part 3rd of April 2020 current affairs. So this would be the last lecture from April month, and the next lecture would be on May current affairs. Okay. So before starting, I would like to tell you that due to the current pandemic going on, we are working from home. So this video has been recorded from our homes. This video I have recorded from my home and not from the studio of the office. So please cooperate in terms of any background noise or something, although we have tried best ki you do not find any such kind of noise. Coming to the results, so just to boost you up, let me tell you that EduTap has a brilliant result history in NABARD grade A 2019, NABARD grade B 2019, RBI grade B 2019. You can see brilliant results. And SEBI took place in 2018 last time. Out of 84 seats, 41 went to EduTapian. So you can see, you can feel confident that you are getting the right guidance. You just need to prepare really well. Okay. So here is your very first question. Okay, it is from the month of April. Recently, which one of the following companies has tied up with Jubilant Food Works for doorstep delivery of essential commodities? So companies are given here: ITC Limited, Dabur, Marico, Nestle, Hindustan Lever. The answer is ITC Limited, option 1. It has been the first delivery agreement between FMCG major is fast moving consumer goods. So ITC Limited is a very famous company for different daily use products like soaps, shampoos, etc. And it has signed an agreement with quick service restaurant chain Domino's. So they have signed this agreement for the doorstep delivery of essential commodities. Moving to next question. Which one of the following countries has decided to form 21-member team for talks with Taliban? I think this is an easy question. If you have been aware about the news, even a little bit, you would know that Taliban is related to Afghanistan, and same is the answer of this question. So Taliban, a terrorist group. So for talks with Taliban, Afghanistan said that they are going to set up a 21-member team. Long run objective of financial management is to dash. So this is a static question related to financial awareness. So the long run objective of financial management is to maximize earnings per share, maximize the value of firm's common stock, maximize return on investment, maximize market share, or none of the above. The answer is option 2, that is to maximize the value of the firm's common stock. This is the objective, the long run objective of any financial management. Okay, I hope you get to know, because in this time, the notification which was released this year, SEBI said that they are going to ask questions related to financial awareness also in the general awareness part. Next question is, which of the following companies has merged with GSKH, that is GlaxoSmithKline Consumer Healthcare Limited. So GlaxoSmithKline is very famous. Okay, it's a healthcare consumer limited, and it has merged with Hindustan Unilever. This is a very, very important merger, you can say. Hindustan Unilever. Again, a very important question. Interest rate on PPF has been reduced to what percent from 7.9%. So PPF, Public Provident Fund, is a very important provident fund. A public fund, not provident fund. It's a very important public fund, and the interest on the same has been reduced recently. It was announced in the latest budget. So from 7.9%, it is now 7.1%. This is, guys, this is generally you must know if there are some changes, if the budget was released latest. So such things you have to know. Next question. Recently, which one of the following companies has launched an initiative offering discount on hotel accommodation to doctors in cities? This is also important because of the current situation going on. So, Oyo Rooms, Make My Trip, iBibo, ClearTrip or Redbus.in. Out of these, who has offered discount on the hotel accommodation to doctors? Make My Trip is the answer, because doctors actually, if they are even on duty, they are not advised to go back and live with their families, so they are being quarantined. It was basically, there was so many news that some of the doctors, they are living in their car only. Some of the doctors, they are not, they are entering their home, but they are not going inside, rather they are sitting outside only in the porch or some area. So this Make My Trip came up with this discount of on hotel accommodation. Next question. Geeta Ramji has become the first Indian origin South African who has died because of coronavirus. She was a famous dash. Yes, this is important because Geeta Ramji is a famous personality, and Indian origin South African has died due to this virus. She was a famous virologist. I don't think you'll forget this, because the virologist herself died due to coronavirus. So Geeta Ramji, the virologist. Next question. Which one of the following is an initiative launched by association representing officers of central civil services to support the government's effort in fighting coronavirus? So an initiative recently launched by the Central Civil Services Association is known as Civil Servants Care, Fight Corona, Corona Go, Karuna or Karuna for the people. Guys, this is an important question, because as I tell you, so many most of the questions, most of the news are related to the pandemic due to the initiatives which are being taken, but out of those initiatives you must be able to identify the important ones. So this is such kind of initiative. The answer here is Karuna. So Central Civil Services Body Association has come up and said that they have launched this Karuna initiative, and Karuna itself stands for Civil Services Association's reach to support in natural disasters. This is the name of this Karuna initiative. Question 9. We will be discussing around 30 questions today. Okay. Which one of the following social networking applications has donated medical protective suits and masks worth rupees 100 crore for doctors and frontline medical staff in India? Now this is interesting. Okay, I'll tell you how. Options you see: YouTube, Snapchat, TikTok, Line or Tumblr. So out of this maximum downloads of this app are there in India. Most of the users are from India. The maximum users of this particular app are from India. What do you think the app could be? TikTok, right? That is the answer. So TikTok said that Indian people are downloading the app so much, so let's come and donate some things to frontline workers also. So it's an appreciable step taken by TikTok. It's a Chinese app, and it has said that rupees 100 crore worth masks and a PP, private protective suits, would be given to the medical workers and frontline medical staff. Question 10. Which one of the following states or UTs has announced providing rupees 1 crore to the families of health personnel if they lose their lives while dealing with COVID-19 cases? So again, this is unfortunate that healthcare personnel are losing their lives. And but this is appreciable that states are saying that they will be given insurance or claims would be given to the family. So rupees 1 crore has been announced by the government of Delhi. So Arvind Kejriwal ji said that people, healthcare personnel, if they die while dealing with coronavirus patients, they will be given, the families would be given rupees 1 crore. Next question is: researchers at which one of the following IITs have developed 2 robots that can be deployed in isolation wards at hospitals? So this is an initiative, a technology development initiative, and IIT Guwahati has come up. They have deployed 2 robots. They said that these robots can be deployed in the isolation wards. They will be actually guiding people on their treatment. This is again a very important initiative. Next question. Which one of the following has invited innovative citizens to participate in the challenge C3? First of all, what is C3? C3 is COVID-19 competition. It is being called as. So, who among the following has invited the innovative citizens? MHRD, that is Ministry of Human Resource Development, CSIR, NIF, Ministry of Health, Family Welfare, and MSDE. The answer to this question is NIF, National Innovation Fund of India. They have invited the citizens to come forward and participate in the Challenge COVID-19 competition. This C should have been capital so that it becomes C3. Okay. National Innovation Fund, NIF it could be, because in the question paper acronyms are also given, so you are expected to know the acronyms. Statue of Soviet General Ivan Konev has been removed in Prague. Prague is the capital city of which of the following countries? So this is a typical example of static questions. See, general awareness includes static part also. And what type of static question? As you can see here, capital, currency of the countries, these are the things you must know. Okay, so Soviet general basically is an erstwhile it is not existing now. Russia, USSR was broken down, but erstwhile USSR, its General Ivan Konev's statue has been removed from Prague, and Prague is a European country, and its capital is, it is the capital, I am sorry, Czech Republic. So it's the capital city. Prague is the capital city of Czech Republic. It's a European country. Question 14. Which of the following automobile manufacturers has appointed Guillemel Cartier as Senior VP and Chairman of Africa, Middle East and Indian region? So this is an important appointment kind of, which is in news, and again as GA this is important for you to know. So coming to the options: Toyota, Nissan, Ford, Chevrolet or Volkswagen. Just give me a second guys, I'll tell you the answer. Nissan. So Guillemel Cartier has been appointed as Senior VP and Chairman of Africa, Middle East and India region. Nissan has appointed him. Who among the following has become the first judge of Jammu and Kashmir High Court to take oath under Indian Constitution? This is important. Jammu and Kashmir was bifurcated and made a UT. Article 370 scrapped. So this is very important. First judge of J&K High Court, so that to take oath under Indian Constitution. Rajneesh Oswal. Option 2. Next question is: recently who among the following has been elected as a new chief of UK's Labour Party? Edward Miliband, Priti Patel, Clive Lewis, Tony Blair or Keir Starmer? What is the answer? Keir Starmer. So option 5 is the answer. UK's Labour Party has a very important role in India's independence, because Labour Party was the ruling party in United Kingdom when India was given the freedom. So basically in 1947. So UK's Labour Party new chief is Keir Starmer, and he has replaced Jeremy Corbyn. Okay, moving to next question. Adam Schlesinger has passed away. He was an Emmy award winning dash. Guys, this I'm sorry I'm not able to pronounce this particular name, but an Emmy award winning musician this person was. Recently, who among the following has started a video series titled The Lockdown Tales? So interesting initiative which has been taken by Tahira Kashyap Khurrana, not Neena Gupta, Nusrat Bharucha, Lisa Ray or Nidhi Bisht. Fourth is the answer, Tahira Kashyap Khurrana. She's the wife of Ayushmann Khurrana, the renowned actor. And Tahira Kashyap herself is a known writer also, an author. So she has started a video series called as Lockdown Tales. Okay, moving to some financial awareness. Formula of earning before interest and tax, EBIT, is sales minus variable cost, contribution minus fixed cost, sales minus fixed cost, all of the above or none of the above. So formula of EBIT is contribution minus fixed cost. And this is the particular formula. EBIT, first of all you must know what is it, because in phase 1 such questions can be asked, that what is EBIT, so you must know, and then what is the formula of the same. COVID-19 student helpline portal has been launched by Union Minister for HRD. Which one of the following organizations has developed this portal? This is also important. Like we earlier in the previous lecture we saw that the Stranded in India portal was launched by the government for the foreign tourists who are stranded in India. So this portal is also important, student helpline portal, and government is trying its best that students' studies should not be impacted, and that is why channels like Swayam Prabha are being run, or Airtel DTH, etc. So the answer here is AICTE, All India Council for Technical Education. It has developed this portal. World Health Day has been observed on 7th April. Its theme for the year is. So this is an important day. So for any days, such an important day. Health has become most important nowadays, guys. So first of all, you should know the date. Second, you must know the theme. So the theme here is support nurses and midwives. So option 3 is the correct answer, theme of the year. And you see, nurses and doctors are the one who are playing the most important role. Recently, official mascot of 19th Asian Games has been unveiled. Asian Games 19th edition is expected to take place in which of the following countries? India, Singapore, China, Japan, or South Korea? It's China. And in the month of September, it is expected to take place, although it is expected that these games will not take place, but still. अच्छा, यहाँ पे official mascot is missing, guys. Please do find it out that what is the official mascot. Although that will be a trivial question, but you should find it out. So that is your task of the day. You have to find out what is the official mascot of 19th Asian Games. When you have told you, you have to tell me the mascot. Please do mention in the comments below. Next question. India has submitted its bid to host AFC Asian Cup for which one of the following years? This is also important. AFC Asian Cup. India has submitted its bid to host it in the year 2027. Amazon founder Jeff Bezos has donated what amount of fund to US Food Bank? This is also a kind of a philanthropic initiative recently taken. $100 million. So in terms of such things in India, the philanthropic activities at the highest value, the level of amount is being done by Reliance Industries. Okay. What is the term used for the values for the shares having no face value? No par stock, at par stock, equal stock, debt equity stock, or blind stock? The answer is no par stock, and it means shares having no face value. So basically the shares which are open in the market, what customers are willing to pay for them, those shares are called as the no par stock. Because they do not have any value at that time, the face value, so that means in future the price can rise. But there are no face value stock and also low face value stock. There is nominal charges where they are paid. Where is Bhogapuram Airport located? So Bhogapuram Airport, this is a kind of static question again, you see. So all important airports you must know, this must have been in news, but otherwise important airports like Indira Gandhi International Airport, then Kempegowda International Airport. Kempegowda is in Bangalore, Karnataka. Indira Gandhi International is in New Delhi. Then Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, Hyderabad. Veer Savarkar Airport, I think it's in Andaman. So you must know all important airports. So this Bhogapuram Airport is in Visakhapatnam. Okay. In which of the following state Panambur port is located? Panambur port, again a kind of static question. It's located in Karnataka. So it is also known as New Mangalore Airport, located in Karnataka. Where is Qazi Nazrul Islam Airport located? Guwahati, Raxaul, Durgapur, Gaya, or Patna? Durgapur is the answer. So in West Bengal, Qazi Nazrul Islam Airport is located. Guys, note down these questions. Although the PDF will be made available on our Telegram channel, you can join the Telegram channel by clicking on the link in the description below. We have given the Telegram channel link. You can go there and join the channel wherein these PDFs are given. What is the capital of Ecuador? Bogota, Asuncion, Lima, Quito, or Brussels? It's Quito, not Quinto, and Quito is the answer, guys. I'm sorry for this mistake. So Quito is the capital. Quito also it is called as it is the capital of Ecuador, and its currency is USD. That means United States dollar. Question 31st. Acha, this I've told you, right? Andaman and Nicobar. So Veer Savarkar International Airport is located in which of the following states and UTs? I hope you knew this answer, Andaman and Nicobar. Okay, last question of the lecture. What do we call a group of mutual funds that share the same mutual sponsor? Fund syndicates, fund conglomerates, fund families, fund complexes, or none of the above? A group of mutual funds that have the same mutual sponsor, a kind of tree is formed, right, where they have the same kind of trunk going on, so that would be called as a family. So in that analogy, I would tell you that answer is fund families, option 3. So mutual fund family is a group of mutual funds that have the same sponsor, and they also thus have the common management. Obviously, because sponsor is the same, then management is also going to be the same. And the answer is fund families. So that's it, guys. I'll be winding up your lecture. I hope you really like it, you find it really useful. And in case of any query related to our course or any other thing about any other examination or the courses being offered by us, you can visit our website. This is the website. You can drop us a mail also at hello@edutab.co.in, and this is our number. Guys, we are offering a 30% off on the SEBI courses. Use this coupon code SEBI30 to avail this discount. Winding up the lecture, wishing you all a very happy learning. Be safe, stay at safe places, and study well, guys. Okay, that's it. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.